Okay, so group discussion, as I always say, is a very simple thing, not a difficult thing, and don't make it a difficult thing. Keep it simple only. Revise couple of lines. When some topic is given to you, some 30 seconds are given to you. Those 30 seconds are given to you to think and think. Don't write much, but think. Write a couple of words only if you want to write, and think that how you want this discussion to be, in which direction you want this discussion to be, in which direction you want others to participate. That is called giving the direction to the discussion. Introduction is basically giving the direction to the discussion. So good evening friends, my name is Ritvik and I take the opportunity for the discussion. Friends, the topic which is given today is a very interesting topic. It is evergreen topic, and in my opinion all of us have very good points to contribute. So the topic given is this, naam le lo uska. Now friends, I believe that we all should discuss this topic in this particular direction, and I fully agree with the topic. I partially agree with the topic. I don't agree much with the topic. So I think we can discuss in this particular direction. I know that you may be having different perspective than mine. So I welcome you all now to come forward and give your points. इन सेंटेंसेस को रटो, जो मैंने बोले सेंटेंस ये रटो, मैंने टॉपिक नहीं बोला अभी तक, इनको रटो और इसमें फ्लुएंसी ऐसी बना लो दैट द मोमेंट यू से इट शुड लुक लाइक फ्लोइंग. हम में से बहुत से ऐसे लोग हैं जो फ्लुएंसी इंग्लिश में उनका नहीं है, बट एटलीस्ट 5-6 लाइंस नेक्स्ट 1 वीक में यू कैन मास्टर. प्लीज कीप योरसेल्फ म्यूट, ऑल ऑफ यू. Bhushan, keep yourself mute. So all of us can master those lines. That is all we have to do. अब मैंने जो लाइन बोला आप उसमें थोड़ा बहुत चेंज वर्जन ला सकते हैं. सो उसको चेंज लाके एंड देन इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ एंड टॉपिक के बारे में 2-3 लाइन बोलो और हाउस को ओपन कर दो डिस्कशन के लिए. ये तो होगा इंट्रोडक्शन. तो इंट्रोडक्शन तो आपको बेस्ट जाएगा ही जाएगा. इंट्रोडक्शन सर बेस्ट क्यों जाएगा, टॉपिक तो मेरे को आता ही नहीं है. पर भाई मैं जो तुम्हें इंट्रोडक्शन करने को बोल रहा हूँ टॉपिक के ऊपर डिपेंड कहाँ कर रहा है, वो तो तुम्हारी लाइंस पे डिपेंड कर रहा है. तो इंट्रोडक्शन बेस्ट जाएगा ही जाएगा तुम्हारा, कंफर्म. अब चलते हैं दूसरे पार्ट में, बॉडी पार्ट. बॉडी पार्ट भी तुम्हारा बेस्ट जाएगा अगर तुम, इफ यू लिसन टू अदर्स केयरफुली, इफ यू कीप ऑन नॉडिंग. yes yes Ritvik, what you said I agree. Ashwini, sorry Ashwini, I don't agree with you. Kaushik, just to take your point forward, I want to add. ऐसी सी बात बोलो बीच में. sorry Bhushan, no Bhushan, I don't agree. Bhushan, I don't agree. ऐसे से बात बोलो बीच में. Okay Bhushan, I have a question for you. Bhushan, can you please tell me this? Okay friends, I have an example to give you from my own life. When I was in college, there was a boy with me. Give example, create example. That is, आपका बॉडी पार्ट सही जाएगा ही जाएगा अगर तुम ये थोड़ी बहुत बात करते रहे. कंक्लूजन तो जाना ही है. अच्छा अगर तुम्हें पता है बाकियों ने क्या बोला है, तो बीच में पूरे डिस्कशन 10-15 मिनट के बीच में पेन लो, पेज लो और लिखो भूषण ने ये बात बोली, अश्विनी ने ये बात बोली, जो तुम्हें काम की बात लगती है, इसने ये काम की बात बोली, उसने ये काम की बात बोली. दिस इज व्हाट यू शुड से. एंड देन कंक्लूजन भी तुम्हारा ठीक जाना चाहिए. तो मेरे को ये बताओ इस जीडी में झगड़ा कहाँ पे है? Why we think GD is a difficult thing? Believe me, GD is not a difficult thing. That is the first thing you need to keep in your mind. And if you say that GD is not a difficult thing, GD is an easy thing, then automatically it will go. You will do very good in that, and that is what we have to do. Now we are coming every day for good discussion, and if you don't practice back home, if you don't do that, तो चाहे 10 GD कर लो आप मेरे साथ, आपका लेवल वही रहेगा. It will not improve. Otherwise, in 5 GDs, your level should really improve. Your level will increase, and in 5 GDs, you will be comfortable, so that after that you are in a position कि आपका clear हो जाएगा. You will not be rejected. That will be there. Any question you want to ask before I give you a topic and we start? Anything you want to ask? Today's topic is very generic topic. I'll say sort of philosophical topic, right? तो एक philosophical topic भी आता है, जैसे try again. बोल दिया try again. You will be what you will to be. If you think you will be successful, or if you think you will be failure, both ways you are right. ऐसा philosophical को टॉपिक आ जाएगा. जो आप phrases पढ़ते हो ना, वैसा टॉपिक आ जाएगा, या कोई जनरल टॉपिक आ जाएगा. तो वो टॉपिक नॉलेज बेस्ड नहीं होता, वो आपका कॉमन सेंस बेस्ड होता है. So should I give you the topic now? Okay, please write now in your copy. Topic for the day is old age is a curse. Old age is a curse. Let me repeat. So I have given you a topic. After that, I'll give 2 minutes to each one of you to speak on the topic. The topic is old age is a curse. Old age is a curse. And all you have to think for 30-40 seconds is structure. That's it. Old age is a curse. Okay, so I think we can start now. And I today start from Ria. Ria, go ahead.
First of all, good evening, everyone, and thank you for giving me this topic. And I'm feeling very overwhelmed to share my thoughts over this topic. That is, old age is a curse. So basically, moving forward, like in there's different phases of life. Like we all know that that obviously, like if someone is when we are children, we will grow, and we have other stages of life, having exciting goals and productive purposes in life. But like when children look forward to being a teenagers, so like they have like they have other you can say like when children see themselves moving being a teenagers, like they have basically other perspectives and other, you can say, mindsets, so that they can achieve something in their future. Like they have their goals to pursue. Sometimes they think that they will grow, and they will grow as a like engineer, or maybe as a doctor, so they have something as a goal for their life. But when we talk about being a old age person, there is not much more to achieve. Like all of those achievements and everything is being in the past. So like now there is loneliness. There you have to find joy in your life. So basically there can be various dimensions when I talk about when I think of a old age person, I cannot say that every old age person is not happy with his or her life. Like they might have someone who is just retired. He or she wants to live his or her life with all the resources, or all the family members. Like they mostly want to equip themselves with their surroundings and with their family. So basically for every person this is not a curse, but yes, for persons who doesn't, whose family is not supporting them, so obviously it is a curse for them. And there are various other factors that we will talk about. With this views, I would like to open the discussion. Thank you.
Okay, so after now Ria, we go to Rai. Rahi, please go forward. Rahi, you're there?
Hello.
Yeah, Rahi, go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah, Rahi, go ahead.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. My name is Rahi, and the topic for today's discussion is old age is a curse. So, with the different phases of life, like from childhood to the old age, so we feel that like at a particular age we feel that being old will be a good thing. Like we feel wow, like many people listen to the old people, but once you get old, the people feel like depressed, they feel lonely, like they it's like a curse, because every person has got some habit. Like if someone is working and then he gets retired, then it becomes difficult for them to survive the life after the retirement. Then many people don't listen to them at their home, but there are some families, good families, where the old people are given more value. And that's it. So now I hand over the hello.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Ritik, go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ritik Sagar, and I would like to take this opportunity to start this group discussion. So today's topic, old age is a curse, is a very generic, and I think it's a very thought-provoking topic because every one of us has to go through this phase of life. We have seen our grandparents going following through this phase of life. So with old age come deterioration of mental health, physical health. So the old age people kind of get dependent on their offspring, and sometimes these offsprings think of them as a burden. So that's the main reason of the curse that is in the topic. But I think it's not true for many of us. I think many of us take care of them, and with love and nurture, I think we can turn this curse into some of our best memorable moments of our life with our old age grandparents. So with this, I would like to open this topic for group discussion.
Ashwini?
Good afternoon, friends. My name is Ashwini Kumar. I got an opportunity to start the discussion. The today's topic for the discussion is old age is a curse. I believe that this topic is a very generic and thoughtful, and I believe that I am not totally agree with that old age is a curse. It has some certain aspect it is a curse, and it in certain aspect it may be wonderful phase of the life. It becomes a wonderful phase of the life. Like if the body of the person gets weaker, it's get weak, then we can say that doing their own thing is very difficult. Then we can say that it becomes curse. But when, and the other aspect is when the family support is not there, then it also gets cursed. But in the culture like India, we have much more respect for their parents and the grandparents. So we have serviced them. हमें अपने grandparents की सेवा करते हैं in Indian culture. That's why we can, and in other way we can also use their experiences to build our future. And we can also say that the old people give the foundation of the future of any country, and the son and the grandparents in their family. So now this is a very interesting topic. Now I open the discussion for all of you.
Okay. Ritvik?
Yes, sir. Good evening, friends. Here myself, Ritvik. I'm glad to be a part of the group discussion. Firstly, coming to the topic, like old age is a curse, I partially agree with the topic because everyone will go through this stage, old age. So, coming from our childhood, we have been experiencing everything, and we will get what we want in our childhood. So, coming to the old age, there are two dimensions of this topic. Coming to the old age, so old people who will get looked after their offspring, they are feeling it as a boon, and the people like who will be not look after the parent offspring will be like it is it's like a curse. So I think this is two sides of the coin topic, and we will discuss some good points related. And I would like to open the discussion. I'll pass on the discussion.
Okay, Bhushan? Bhushan, please unmute yourself.
Sorry, sir. Good evening, everyone. I am Bhushan. I would like to start the GD today. Our today's topic was old age is a curse. Yeah, this is very interesting topic, and it's worth discussion topic. And we have to discuss this. And first, I would like to classify the old age people. In that way, after classification, we will discuss in that direction. Like old age people are classified in some of the classification. First classification was some of the old age people have money, but they have not their children, and some of the people have their children, but they have some monetary insecurity, and some of the people uh, lives their old age at old age homes, and some of the people at like their own house, and some of the old age people have support of their family members, and some of the people haven't any support from their family members. So if you discuss all these things in this direction, in this particular direction, we can conclude at last. Whether it is a curse or like it's a fruitful life of years of the particular life. So we can discuss in this direction and we can conclude. So I want to discuss these things in this direction, and I would like to open that house now.
Okay, Kaushik, go ahead.
Good evening, friends. My name is Kaushik Sarkar, and I am very glad that I got the opportunity to initiate the discussion. As we know, today's topic is old age is a curse. Well, I think we have been if anybody will live to see their old ages, they have been working through their entire life to reap the benefits at this later stage. So on this note, I will like to disagree with this topic, being old age being a curse. Now, if you broadly categorize the old age or senior citizen into two categories, one being those who are thriving and happy, and those who are feeling it as a curse, or those who are unhappy with their old age. And based on these two broad categories, I think our corridors of discussion will be open. So I invite you all forward to discuss on this topic.
Okay, Bhargavi.
Hello.
Yeah, Bhargavi, go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Bhargavi. Hello.
You go ahead, Bhargavi.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. I'm Bhargavi. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to initiate this discussion. In the topic given is old age is a curse. I partially agree with this because not everyone in their old age think that it is a curse, because if they are financially stable, it's not even a curse to them because they get things what they want easily. But if they are not financially stable and if their children are not looking after them, it may be a curse to them. And in old age, there will also not be many responsibilities as they have in their middle age or in their younger age. And the other point is they may not also have the ability to do all the things by their own. I would like to open the discussion from this.
Okay, so I think Rahi wants to introduce once again. Is that what, Rahi? Rahi, you want to introduce once again? Rahi, you are there? Okay, so I think we proceed now for the next section. That is the discussion among all of you, right? So it's a 10 minutes discussion, and I expect a very smooth discussion among you, listening to others, giving your points, and going in particular direction so that we can conclude at the end of the discussion. Listen to others very carefully, and maybe you can support them, disagree with them in a very, very smooth way without creating any kind of disorder in the house. So I open the house for the discussion among all of you now.
So I
would like to start that. I would like to say something like financial stability and love and care from their children. These two things should be in balance. It is not like that you have financial stability and you don't have love from your children. You will be a very happy person in your old age. So I think these both should be balanced to avoid this old age to become a curse.
Yes,
I think that old age is not curse for everyone. It is like it is also a happy phase for some people. And those who are not financially stable, it is curse for those people.
And I feel, sir, the main thing coming to the curse is like children after getting to a certain position, they will forget the parents, and there are many reasons that's the old age orphanages are being there in every place. So I feel, according to this, I feel this is a curse for me. So
yes, I agree with the Ritvik point. Here, in old age, we need more support with their children to look after them. The money does not matter in this age. We can not do much more with the money, but with the help of our children and with the mental support of them, we can live this old age more beautifully as we live younger age or the childhood in this.
Yes, I agree with you.
Yeah,
I
I
agree with
totally
you.
Continuing on
agree.
your
I
point,
totally
Ashwini,
agree
you
with
just
Ashwini.
as,
And I want
as
to
Ashwini and
I want
Ritik
to add.
mentioned that if if you want to live a happy life, you need financial support, or your children or offspring should
Yes,
look after you.
but
But there are in
old
the
age,
Western nations,
money is not
in the
more
Western
important
nations,
than
there
the
is a
family
particular
support of their
facility.
children.
Yeah,
I
I
would like
definitely
to
agree with you on that,
I
Ashwini.
would
But
like
as
to
you said,
I would like
if
to
you
add
have
on to
money
this.
and if you don't have the support of your offspring, you can still opt for assisted living conditions. There are particular
Yeah,
old age homes that allow you to have a
coming to
very
the
fine
support,
quality of life,
Yes,
I would
even
like
at
to
this.
I
interrupt.
agree
I
with
would like
yes,
to
Kaushik,
Kaushik, I
and I
agree
have a
with you, but
question.
I think, sir,
yeah,
for a person, the love from their child one is also very
yeah,
important.
yes, sir,
It's very
Ritik,
I agree
important
with
that
you, Ritik. I agree with you, Ritik.
financial stability is
Because
good,
the
I
emotional
but the
support
definitely
is
love
say
from the
that
child
love.
ones
at the
is
old age
also
they need
a major
emotional.
And
factor.
I would like
yeah,
to interrupt.
sorry to interrupt you guys. I agree with Kaushik. I have a question for you, Ashwini. What if when people get old, even if they don't have any children?
Yes,
Then
that's
they
a
have
very
Yes,
good
then they
point.
have
I,
then they
uh,
have another
I
thing to
totally
do.
agree with you, Ria, but
Like
I am telling people who are
they can
having
go
children,
to
they
the NGO
are
or
being
some
led.
other things
Like,
Struggling. I mean it.
even if they have
to
children and they
live
are
their
not
life.
looking after themselves, if
They
they're
are
Yeah,
not
not
we
not
should
looking
in a
think
after them.
position
broadly
to
much
take
more
after
because
themselves, how can they take care of their parents?
I
Okay, so
think that
that's
I
a
would
very
like
emotional
good
to
point.
support
like
Actually,
to
they
we
add
will
need
into
also
this.
like to
emotional support.
take a
Apart from
particular group too, that there exists a particular population who might have been divorced at a particular mid age, or who doesn't have any companion to accompany them at that later stage of life. So you need to see not only the financial criteria plays a factor, along with that, keeping yourself busy and functional at that age also
Yeah,
factors in.
but
And also we
Yes,
need to
I
mention
yes,
this
I
is
would
my
like to
point.
add on
your health.
Kaushik's
I
point
totally
that
agree with
with
Ashwini.
financial
And I
Hey, if
think
you
busyness
have a
that
given
in this
health,
old age,
isolation,
I would
at that
also
yes,
point of
like to
time,
add that
like at that age,
if a proper health, I think a good health is also very important for
yes,
yes,
this old age.
yes,
obviously
Is
I
it is.
very
totally agree with
important
Ritik.
because
And
if you
Yes,
have a
failing
friends.
bad health,
failing health is one
that
of the
becomes a
major
very big
issues that
burden on you.
people
Now,
of old age
yeah,
actually face. Like sometimes the health is degrading, and other factors like they have to like isolation factor is one of the major causes of this. There are several other causes like economic insecurity is one of the major part which plays in the lives of old age people. Like I have seen people who have money but their children are not supporting them and not living with
yeah,
them.
yeah, I
But
agree with you,
yes,
Ria.
and I have seen people like they don't have money, but their children are looking after them. So like
Yeah.
economic insecurity and security is one of the major issue like people of old age are facing.
Friends, I
That
would
is.
like to add one more point in this situation. So people do not have money, that much money, and they have good children, and their health conditions are very good. So they live very happily. Because in my own village, there are
Yes,
some old age people, and they don't have that much money, but their children are very good, supportive to their parents, and they live
Yeah, that's
very
what I agree
happily
with
with
you,
their
Money,
Trishna.
children.
money
At
doesn't
that
that is
point
always.
of
important
time,
to
now
see in
we
I
need
will
emotional
actually
support
like
from the
to
offspring.
broaden the
That
scope
is
of
what I like to
discussion.
highlight.
My friends, there are particular people which have money, which do not have money, which may have
Yeah.
their children support, which lack the children support. But there is also a particular problem that with old age, you will get to see that your friends are dying, your companions are dying. So
Yes.
there is an
Yeah,
abundant
mental
issue.
support.
You are particularly adjusting from one step of life
I
or
would like to
one
agree
type
with
of life
Kaushik.
to another life. So there is a
Yes,
psychological
I
issue
I
associated
agree
think
with
with you. A
at,
loss of a loved
at
one
the
at this
point of
age is
age, one
it's
needs
very
one
bad
needs
for
the mental
their
support,
mental health also.
emotional support. I think at the point of old age, I think they need some mental support and emotional support
Yes,
to be
yes, I agree with
some. I
So
think
based
if it
upon
comes,
whether that support
also.
is available or not, this life can become a boon or a curse.
yeah,
Definitely, I
if it
think you
comes from
shall
the
agree with me.
offsprings, it would be
And
better. If it comes from their
yes,
offsprings, it will be really
definitely it will be the
helpful
first
for
Yes,
them.
step.
it
Yeah,
yes.
that's what I mean. Yeah. So
And
So, okay, I will also like to share one incident from my childhood also because I have been living with my grandfather and he has been paralyzed from my birth only. So we always took care of him and he is happy, but sometimes it becomes very irritating because sometimes his mental stability deteriorates and he shouts and say curse word and all these things. So sometimes it becomes difficult, but I think the smile on his face when we feed him and we take
yeah,
care of him is
that is what called
worth it all
emotional
this.
support. Yeah. They need the support at the
Yes, we all should be compassionate towards one another,
Yeah.
whether they have done anything wrong or something.
Yeah.
And friends, if the old
Really
age people is suffered from a long-term problems like health issues, then they may be like they think that our life is like a curse. Now,
Yes.
like that, it is also possible. So
It's
Yeah,
always a
Bhushan, I will
cause. Health
also
is wealth.
completely
We all know that health is
agree
Yeah, I
on
wealth.
that.
totally
That
agree,
if
and
your
I
health
want
is wealth, and if you
yes,
have a particular health maintained towards the later stage of life, then you can still have an enjoyable life,
enjoy your
whether
life.
and
Yeah,
I
yeah, agree.
actually
or
feel
not.
that people of old age doesn't only lag with the economic insecurity or like or money or the offspring support and several other factors, but there is one more thing that that is their mental health. Mental health is very much important at that stage of the life, because sometimes
Yeah, I agree with you. Yeah,
sometimes
I was telling the same.
there is the fear, there is boredom, there is like there you don't have much, you can say, opportunity to do and excel in your life. So someone who is very much active in the past, and if he is not able to do anything and he is sitting in the room, so he might feel those pressure or those boredom
Yes,
in their life, and there is some
yes,
low self-esteem also at that stage of life. So this
Yeah,
is
I
these are the
partially
major
agree with you,
issues.
Ria. I
Yes.
partially
yes, I
agree with
agree
you
with
because
Ria's
in
point.
some
I agree
That's
with
why
you.
situations,
Yeah.
grandparents
but
more
many
get used
people
to
think,
the grandchildren because they can give them time and play
And
with them
and I
and
feel
support
like
them.
whenever they see the grandchildren, they feel really
Yes,
good. I think this is one of the thing that they will feel like old age is also being a good stage of the life. I feel.
yes, this
I
is the
also
main
feel
reason why
like
old age becomes heaven
Yeah,
for them.
yeah, they will be they're looking from their options from they will be expecting a children, and they feel very happy when they grow up in front of them and they go to some good position. I feel they are very happy coming to this point. Yeah,
yes,
someone would add like something.
I also want to add on to this, sir, that sometimes what happens is that person having everything, and he or she feels like he is old aged, and the working of the working of his mental the mental procedure is somewhat is that he is basically he thinks that he actually has done everything in his life, so he has nothing to do in the life. So there is this thing in this like you can say this thought process
So
is
it
always.
also, yeah, Ria, you want to say that it also depends upon the individual. How does he
Yeah,
take that
yes,
old age?
Yeah, I
it
agree with you,
totally
Kaushik.
depends upon the
Uh,
individual
Yes,
that
yes.
how he or
Yeah,
she proclaims it.
how he
So
takes that old age means
yes,
whether it
yes,
feels like that he is useless or not, or still he feels like there's a time to enjoy or not. So that
yes.
depends upon the
agree with you,
perception
Kaushik.
of that individual.
So
Yeah.
yes, there is nothing like curse or blessing for any age. Like any age can become a curse or any age can become a
I
blessing.
agree. Situations
Yes,
So
make
I
it
would
everything.
also
totally
like to add
depends
that
upon the
you must have
individual how he or
seen
she
a
is
movie
proclaiming
by
that
Rishi
particular stage of his
Kapoor
life.
Yeah,
and
it
Amitabh
depends
Bachchan,
upon the
which
situation of
their
the
father
family
and son.
which is going
Amitabh
through it.
Bachchan is very old.
Even youngest can be curse, and it totally depends upon the situation whether the community or the family is going through it. Like I feel,
Okay. So I think now we
yes.
go for conclusion. So again, I start from Ria. Ria, please go ahead and conclude yourself.
Yes, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to conclude. Moving forward, and every this discussion was very much, you can say, detailed, and everybody gave their views on what they think about this stage of life. I know, personally, everybody feels that this is somewhere curse, somewhere blessings. So as I said, it is totally depends upon how an individual proclaims or how an individual takes it. So some of the points that we got from this conversation and the discussion is that there's one factor that is failing health. Like everybody agreed to that that health is deteriorating, and that's why people feel this insecurity. Old age people feel this insecurity, and economic insecurity was one of the major cause, and yes, isolation was one of the major cause. So sometimes people feel neglected by their offspring. So this was the cause. and yes, there are several other causes like fear of living alone and fear of living their lives for long and boredoms. These were the several causes we actually figured out. So yes, I with all these points, I think I would like to conclude that yes, it is a curse for someone, it is blessing for someone, but yes, it totally depends upon how we are taking it and how our how being a youth or being a children or being a part of this society, how we are taking our old age person and how we are nurturing them. So thank you.
Okay, Rahi, go ahead. Rahi, you're there? Okay, Bhargavi, you're there?
Yes, sir.
Now, please conclude.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to conclude this discussion. As some of you already said, the main factor is health. If it is affected, we can't really enjoy the old age. And the other one is emotional stability, like to have a good mental health during our old age. And the other one is financial stability, to take care of ourselves. With these, I hope these are the main points, and I would like to conclude.
Okay, now I think Ritik, you can go ahead.
So thank you for giving me this opportunity to conclude. I would say we had a very fruitful and smooth GD, and we all agreed on many points and discussed also on many points. So some points I would like to give in concluding remarks. The first, which is a very big criteria for old age becoming a curse, is economic insecurity. If old age people don't have, if they are not financially capable, they will definitely feel the blow of it. The second point is for someone who has always been self-dependent his whole life, suddenly being dependent on others, it might feel very awkward, and sometimes there's also cause quarrel between parents and sons. Deteriorating physical and mental health is also a very big major point for this old age becoming curse. And isolation, isolation I think is also very big. If we don't have money, but if we have something to keep us busy, I don't think our life becomes that much of a curse. So with this, I would like to close the discussion. Thank you.
Okay, Ritik.
In a nutshell, I would like to sum up. Although we had a very prevalent discussion, we got some really good points to be concluded. So I think from my point of view and from all the discussion, I felt like old age is a curse for someone and it is a blessing for someone. It totally depends upon the individual. And I feel it's very blessing to go through a stage like old. And I feel like there are many reasons when we can tell between, but coming to the main reason, I think there are many reasons, but I feel the orphanage and economic stability and mental stability is the main three things which we could sum up in the total discussion. I would like to conclude by saying this.
Okay, Ashwini.
Okay, sir. Thank you for giving me opportunity to conclude the discussion. This is a very healthy discussion, and we come to the conclusion that partially of them has told that the old age is a curse, and partially does not agree with that statement. As one of my friend Ritik said about their family members, about their grandparents, and it also become curse due to their body, as per their body getting weak, and due to the isolation and the emotional and the moral support which we get from the family is also very important in this old age. So for this, I would like to conclude the discussion. Thank you.
Okay, now Kaushik.
Thank you, everyone. I am glad that I got this opportunity to conclude on this. We had a very fruitful discussion, and though we could not reach on a particular consensus, On the middle grounds, we agreed that whether the old age becomes a curse or a boon depends on the following factors: whether the mental health is proper or not, whether the physical health is up to the mark or not, the boredom associated with the old age, and the lifestyle changes and the shift from the previous lifestyle, the family and the economic situation of that person, and also the perception of that particular individual, how it takes on his old age. So with this, I would like to conclude the GD. Thank
Okay,
you.
Bhushan.
Sir, thank you. And we have a detailed discussion on this topic. So I would like to conclude this topic. As Ria said, there are, if the person having mental health issues, then he feels like the old age is a curse. And I partially agree with that. If there is a person who takes care of that person, that old age people, and then they feel like the old age is not a curse. And as Ritik said, there is a old, if the person stays in the old age homes, then they feel like alone. And some of the persons are there who lives in old age home, and they feel like they are secure and safe. So I also partially agree with that. And some of the persons, and Bhargavi said there is economic insecurity. So I also partially agree with that, because if there is an economic insecurity is there, but they live throughout their life with economic insecurity only. So they, they have lived their life, remaining life also with this, and if they have good children and who takes care of their parents, and they also live very happily the rest of the life. So I would like to conclude this, because it is depends on totally on how takes it old age, and it depends on individual. So this is my conclusion.
Okay. So I think everybody has concluded also now. So let me tell you, these kind of topics, general topics, they are very good to know that have you learned the art of group discussion or not. They are not knowledge intensive topics. They are only and I'll say practice oriented topics. You know, you have good practice of group discussion, you can participate well. So in the introduction part has to be very simple. You introduce everyone to the topic, and this is the statement in which you have to either agree, you have to disagree, you have to partially agree, you have to partially disagree. And now you need to be very good, nicely judgmental about whether you want to agree or disagree. These kind of topics you can't agree. You can't say yes, old age is a curse, because the moment you say old age is a curse, it becomes curse for every old fellow, which is not true. You can't say it is not a curse, because yes, there are problems associated with old age. So in this case, I think what we understand is what Bhargavi said. So partially agree. I think that is what she said. Partially agree. That means partially agree or disagree. I don't know. But in this case, you need to only partially agree with the statement, means largely you don't believe in this. It is a curse, but partially you agree. Yes, friends, the topic given is old age is a curse. So I'm of the opinion, I partially agree with this statement. That means old age, curse is not the right word to be used. Old age has its own problems, which certainly are there, because a man becomes weak financially, physically, emotionally, support system he requires. So yes, he becomes dependent, and the life last stretch of the life, so many things pop up the mind, and yes, it becomes very difficult phase of his life. But I can't say it's a curse. So is तरीके से you need to either agree with the statement or disagree with the statement, and then comes dimension giving. So in this particular topic, I think the dimension which we could have given, so two of you gave the dimension, like Ritvik and Bhushan tried to give some kind of dimension, and Kaushik also. Now let me tell you the dimension part, how it was, which part was good. Let me tell you that. Ritvik categorized it into very generic way, like good or bad. He said it is good or bad. That is what he said. It's a good or bad. Okay, so he actually gave good or bad, something like that. Good and bad, these two categories only. And I don't know, it was not that generic classification to be given. Bhushan is more appropriate. He said, he categorized, I don't know whether this is what he was of the opinion. He said money and children. In my opinion, in the old age, either you have social support system, that is what the children he meant, social support system, you have financial support. So friends, I will categorize the old people in these following 4 categories. I will categorize the old people in 4 categories. Number 1, those with financial support. Number 2, those with social support. Number 3, without financial support, without social support. These are the categories. So there are 2 parameters, financial support and the social support. Now in the financial and social support, either you have financial support and social support both, then won't be trouble. So all the problems associated with old age will not be there. He has social support but not a financial support. That is what Bhushan said. Children are there, even if money is not there, he will be okay. Third, financial support, not social support. I don't have children, as Bhargavi questioned Ashwani. What if you don't have children? What if your children are not asking you? Social support is not there, but financial support is there. Still, you will manage. Think of the 4th category, neither social support nor financial support. This was the crux of this entire discussion. So classification जो मैं बोलता हूँ ना, वो ये था. I'll not say that Bhushan could very clearly see, but yes, he could identify. So then I thought of, okay, can I extend further what Bhushan was talking about and make this classification very good. So friends, let's classify the old people in following 4 categories, and then I think we'll be in better position to discuss further. So the 4 classification can be, to lead a good old age life, what you need is either financial support or social support, right? So let's categorize the old people in 4 categories: those with both financial support, social support. Second, with financial support, not social support. Third, with social support, not financial support. Fourth, neither of these 2. Now think of those old people, beggars, they have no kids, they have no money. Life is a curse. We need to agree that life is a curse. And in that situation, government should come, the government should step in, or NGO should step in. And our country is not a very rich country also. Majority of people are, very, they are in the particular economic section. I mean, below poverty line people you think of. And if they are below poverty line financially, their children also can't help them to some extent, because they're also fighting for survival. This is the direction which you have to give. Now I come to each one of you, like what you said. So Ria, again, if I'm to give you your general feedback, that is, whatever you say, out of that only 30%, 30% content is relevant for the discussion. 70% is not relevant. Just analyze yourself. Listen to yourself and analyze it. Only 30% is relevant. 70% things which you are saying are not directly relevant, at least in the introduction part. So that is where you have to basically work out. You have to write a couple of lines on the page and stick to that. Like suppose say I'm feeling very overwhelmed to talk about this topic. So this is not a right way to introduce. You may not feel overwhelmed. So friends, I'm very happy that I got opportunity to initiate the discussion. Okay, that looks like formal. So friends, let me take the discussion forward now, and let me introduce this topic to you. Write the lines on your page, on your copy, and practice it. That is what all I can tell you. And initially you talked about old age, loneliness, and all these things without giving direction. And yesterday also you were concerned about how we can give the direction or dimension. Direction is very important. Otherwise, introduction will not look like introduction. It will look like your second part only. So friends, I think I don't agree with that the statement. Old age is not a curse. I don't think of it. Yes, old age has problem. So I think we should now largely discuss on the parameters. Why it is, if we say curse, what are the reasons why it is curse and how we can ameliorate them. So something like that you have to talk about. Then you are, Ria, another trouble is you are trying to enter the discussion multiple times when you should not try to enter. I think at that moment when already everyone is trying to enter. And I want you to listen to that video, how to enter in the GD. You should not wait for sentence to be complete to enter the discussion. If you do that, others are also waiting the same time. So listen to this video when it will be uploaded on YouTube. Listen to this, and you will find that when you are waiting to enter the discussion, others are also waiting to enter the discussion. So there is basically a rush. Everybody wants to enter at the same time after the sentence is complete. Don't try to do that. Enter the discussion when only one fellow is speaking, not multiple fellows are speaking. Only one fellow is speaking, and you can easily cut him short. He's speaking, and then you can cut him with one word or two word, and then take discussion from him. Do not wait him to complete the sentence and then you will enter, and when others also try to enter, because then it will be chaotic. So Ria, entry part you have to learn. Also, I want to find out the lull period. When you listen the GDs thoroughly, you will find that there are so many lull period when nobody is talking. Everybody is thinking, okay, no, there's nobody talking. So everybody is talking simultaneously, and then at some points nobody is talking. That is called the lull period. Keep what you want to say with you, and just keep on finding when the lull period comes, and then I am to step in. So that is where you are to enter. So as of now, you are to learn the art of entering in the discussion. You are not entering into the discussion appropriately. That is what I will say. The conclusion part, Ria, you are to enter other people also. You have to talk about others also, what were their opinion in the conclusion, because it's a group conclusion. Now, if I talk about the Rahi, different phases of life she started mentioning: depression, loneliness. It is a curse. She said it is a curse, and families basically need to be there. You are retired, and also Rahi largely agreed with the statement, which was not required, and she abruptly ended the introduction also. That means you were not very comfortable with the introduction. I tell you one thing here. Like I remember, like the Ashwini, the situation of Ashwini, like how he's speaking. Today only I interacted with one of the students who got into sale, and he was very thankful that, sir, I could clear sale with group discussion and all. He was thankful that, sir, आपने जो करवाया था उससे हो गया. But I tell you, I will upload his video when he was participating in the discussion. Pathetic situation, and he was not in position to speak at all. But slowly, he started improving. Slowly, he started improving, and he improved only in the introduction part and conclusion part. He developed that knack कि introduction मैंने कैसे करनी है और conclude मैंने कैसे करना है. ये दो चीज पे उसकी expertise हो गई. And the moment that GD was there, he snatched that introduction, spoke very well, and conclusion also he snatched, spoke very well, and qualified it. तो आप किसी भी एक चीज में तो मास्टरी कर लो ना, चाहे इंट्रोडक्शन में कर लो. इंट्रोडक्शन में लार्जली तो आपका रेपिटेटिव है, उसको स्नैच करो और इंट्रोडक्शन कर लो. सो दिस इज हाउ इट कैन बी डन. दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू बेसिकली डू. लेकिन प्रैक्टिस कर लो उस चीज का. प्रैक्टिस से वो चीज आ जाएगा किसी भी एक चीज में. ऋतिक ने बोला टॉपिक जेनरिक है, थॉट प्रोवोकिंग टॉपिक है. अब इनके ऊपर और वर्ड्स ढूंढो. डू नॉट रिस्ट्रिक्ट योरसेल्फ टू ओनली दीज वर्ड्स. करंट, रेलिवेंट, थॉट प्रोवोकिंग, generic, philosophical, controversial. Don't stick only to the words which we keep on using. अपने words find out करो, coin करो अपने words, and innovative रहो. Learn from other things, like okay ये word है तो मैं क्या use कर सकता हूँ. Think of that also. ऋतिक सर डिपेंडेंट होता है, कर्स होता है into बेस्ट मोमेंट होता है. बेस्ट मोमेंट्स आपके चले जाते हैं and then the कर्स ये आ जाता है. तो ऋतिक I think agreed with the statement. Ritik could start the discussion in the second part. He could take the initiative. देखो जैसे क्रिकेट मैच है या फुटबॉल मैच है ना, there are some player who are very good in opening. There are some player who are very good in fielding. There are some player who are very good in bowling. मिडफील्ड पे अच्छा खेल रहे हो तुम, कहाँ पे अच्छा खेल रहे हो. वैसे ही आप लोगों में हर एक में स्ट्रेंथ होगा, और वो स्ट्रेंथ मैं आपको बताता चला जाऊंगा कि इंट्रोडक्शन तेरी स्ट्रेंथ है, तुम डिस्कशन को ओपन कर सकते हो. पार्ट बीच वाले पार्ट में तुम्हारी स्ट्रेंथ है, तो जो तुम्हारा स्ट्रेंथ है उसमें तुम एज लेने का ट्राई करो. तीन पार्ट हैं डिस्कशन के: इंट्रोडक्शन, कंक्लूजन एंड बॉडी पार्ट. wherever you are strong, try to consolidate on that, try to be strong on that, but at least you should be strong in one part. तो तुम्हें कोई निकाल नहीं सकता. And hardly then it is a practice. अगर आप मेरे से पूछो कि सर कुछ ऐसा बताओ, I know zero about GD, कुछ ऐसा बताओ कि 3 दिन में मैं GD क्वालिफाई कर लूं, I can tell you that, I can do that. But only thing is you need to be very cautious कि आप कहाँ पे strong हो, कहाँ weak हो, आपकी positive negatives क्या हैं, and आपको उसको improve करना है. All I can tell you is this is your weakness, improve upon it. But improve आप ही लोगों को करना है, improve आपको करना है. जैसे मैं बोलता हूँ ना कि घर जाओ practice करो और जब come back tomorrow and then you do it. आप सब लोगों में से सबसे ज्यादा improvement कर रहा है वो अश्विनी कर रहा है. अश्विनी का जो पहला situation था, पहला GDs में he was not even in position to fumble out. So अब उसने क्या वो learn किया, practice किया words को, and then he is speaking at fluency. That is what is required. Ritik started, shared example. The best part of the Ritik was जब lull period आ गया तो Ritik ने अपने grandfather का example share किया. Okay, friends, let me share the example of my grandfather. Why I say it may become curse, because my grandfather, he is getting social support also. He is financially okay also. But you know, because of the age, he gets very irritated, he gets very disturbed, and he starts shouting and something like that. So that is also one part of the story. It is not only सोशल सपोर्ट एंड फाइनेंस के, अगर जिस ओल्ड एज के पास सोशल सपोर्ट भी है, फाइनेंस भी है, उसके लिए कर्ज नहीं होगा. डू यू नो अवर एक्स प्राइम मिनिस्टर मिस्टर वाजपेयी, डू यू नो हिम, आर यू अवेयर?
Yes, sir.
He died out of this schizophrenia, मतलब वो mental stable खत्म हो जाता है. He was prime minister and he is having everything, I mean social support system, everything is there, but वो क्या है कि बीमारी लग गया. बीमारी तो बॉडी को लगता है, तो कर्ज तो है वो. यस, इट इज अ कर्ज. सब कुछ है. जैसे मैंने बोला कि सोशल सपोर्ट सिस्टम है, फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट है, तो आपको कर्ज नहीं है, तब तो हेवन है. नहीं, इट इज नॉट. अगर आपको बीमारी लगी तब क्या करोगे आप? देन दैट इज अ काइंड ऑफ थिंग. तो यस, दैट इज ऑल्सो वन पैरामीटर. स्टार्ट थिंकिंग, एग्जांपल्स आ जाएंगे ना तुम्हारे पास. व्हाई डोंट यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग एग्जांपल्स? अश्विनी ने बोला जनरिक है, थॉट प्रोवोकिंग टॉपिक है, मे नॉट बी कर्स. अश्विनी ने इसको थोड़ा अच्छे तरीके से इंट्रोड्यूस करने का ट्राई किया. अश्विनी, आप वो सेंटेंसेस को और ज्यादा रिवाइज करो एंड इंट्रोड्यूस करने की ट्राई करना एक्चुअल जीडी में, एंटर मारने की ट्राई करना एक्चुअल जीडी में, वो तुम्हारा स्ट्रेंथ हो सकता है. बट बीच में अश्विनी ने कहा कि मनी मैटर नहीं करती, तो जैसे अश्विनी ने बोला मनी मैटर नहीं करती, कौशिक ने उसको पकड़ लिया एंड देन बाकी लोगों ने भी उसको घेर लिया. मनी मैटर करती है, नो डाउट. सो ऐसा कोई स्टेटमेंट अगर आप दे दो तो ऑब्वियसली आपको लोग घेरेंगे. उसके एडवांटेज भी है, डिसएडवांटेज भी है. एडवांटेज है कि यू बिकम द सेंटर ऑफ अटेंशन, एवरीबॉडी स्टार्ट्स टॉकिंग टू यू. एंड डिसएडवांटेज है कि आपको जस्टिफाई ना करना पड़े, जस्टिफाई नहीं कर पाओ अगर आप. दैट इज अ डिसएडवांटेज. ओके, सो देन ऋत्विक एंड भूषण का अच्छा पार्ट ये था कि वो क्लासिफाई कर पाए, ऋत्विक और भूषण क्लासिफाई कर पाए, और ऋत्विक कंक्लूजन भी अच्छा कर पाया, और ऋत्विक जो थे बीच में एंटर भी कर पाए. सो दैट वाज द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट ऋत्विक एंड भूषण. भूषण ने जो क्लासिफिकेशन था वो बेस्ट था. तो भूषण, एज ऑफ नो भूषण, यू स्पीक लेस, you are not speaking more. You should try to enter more and more in the body part. That is where you should try to enter more, give more examples, something like that. The way you speak, actually that makes sense, so people listen to that, and that is a good thing, but you speak more in that. Kaushik, you have good communication skills, no doubt about that. You said I disagree with the topic, so you be cautious whether you want to disagree. So you said okay, I disagree with the topic. So yes, old age has some problems, but I cannot say it is a curse. And if it is even if it is a curse, there are some reasons why the reasons are there, so that way you can expand. Happy, unhappy, these two categories may you divided. So classification was not very clear to me. I thought you try to classify, but that classification was not very rationally done. It can be boom, it can be curse. Conclusion part was good, Kaushik, from your side. Yes, you do practice and things will come up to you. Bhargavi said, I partially agree, but Bhargavi, it was the first, I think, mock GD for Bhargavi. She could not speak much in the introduction. She could not speak much in the conclusion. She tried to enter in the GD and she participated in between also. And she asked a question to Ashwani. That was the best part. I tell you, give examples, ask question to the members, and that will bring you in the discussion. So Bhargavi could ask the question from Ashwani, and that brought her to the main discussion part. So that is how it is to be done, right? This is all about your discussion part. So I think you need to improve on those lines, right? Clear? Yeah.
Tell me my feedback.
Ritvik, I told you that you could classify good and bad, and conclusion was good, bad, and in between also you could speak. That is all feedback you have. So you and Bhushan could classify. That is the best part, right? Learn not only from your feedback, learn from others' feedback also. Any other point, anything you want to ask? So tomorrow most probably I'll go for extempore, and the time will be in morning slot, extempore, and I'll merge the group. I'll give you the topic, and we'll go for extempore for 3 to 4 minutes tomorrow. The timings I'll give you in the morning. I'll send you the WhatsApp message and be here at that particular time, and we'll go for that particular thing and revise it well. Anything you want to ask me?
Sir, what should I do more to improve my GD skills?
मैंने बताया आपको कि रिवाइज करते रहो सेंटेंसेस को, जो है सेंटेंसेस उनको रिवाइज करते रहो, बोलते रहो अपने आप में, और नॉलेज एक्वायर करते रहो. जो हमने टॉपिक्स डाल रखा है उनको रिवाइज करते रहो. इन चीजों के वर्ड्स ढूंढो कि फ्रेंड्स इन माय ओपिनियन द टॉपिक इज दिस दैट, वो सुनते रहो. और योर पीडीएफ के ऊपर बहुत सा मटेरियल पड़ा है, मेरे ख्याल से आपने देखा भी नहीं है. वो मेरे को नहीं लगता आप में से किसी ने वो ढंग से देखा है मटेरियल, क्योंकि अगर वो तुमने देखा हो तो तुम वैसे वेल प्रिपेयर्ड हो जाओगे. योर पीडीएफ पे जो टॉपिक्स हैं, नॉलेज टॉपिक्स तो है.
जहाँ तक मैं प्रॉब्लम फील कर पा रहा हूँ सर, कि मैं बीच डिस्कशन में सोचने लगता हूँ, तो इधर बाकी लोगों की बात सुन नहीं पाता हूँ.
एक्चुअली होता क्या है, थिंक ऑफ, जब हॉस्टल में तुम डिस्कशन करते हो तो क्या करते हो, तुम्हारी सोच और तुम्हारा बाकियों से डिस्कशन पैरेलल चलता है हॉस्टल के अंदर.
हाँ, तो उस वक्त में मिसमैच हो जा रहा है सर, ये दोनों चीजें.
ये तो तुम्हें अटेंटिवली दूसरे की बात सोचनी है और उसी में से अगला पॉइंट लेके आना है। एक्चुअली वो ऐसा हो रहा है क्योंकि तुम्हें लग रहा है कि तुम सोचोगे तभी तुम बोल पाओगे।
Yes.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ तुम सुनोगे तब तुम बोल पाओगे। तुम सोच रहे हो तुम सोचोगे तो बोल पाओगे, यहाँ पे डिफरेंस है। अगर तुम सुनोगे दूसरों को तो तुम बोल पाओगे। जैसे भार्गवी ने पॉइंट जो रेज किया वो तुम्हारी बात सुन के तो रेज किया, तुमने बोला कि नहीं अगर बच्चे होंगे तभी ये कर्स नहीं होगा, तो भार्गवी लिसन दैट and then she said okay I have a question for you, what about those who do not have kids, children, are they going to have a curseful old age? So she listened to you and then she raised the question. So listen to others very carefully, show interest in others, and then only you can become very good participant in the discussion. ये
So
चीज है।
another doubt is that अगर सर एक्सटेम्पो होगा तो एक्सटेम्पो में हम लोग सेम पैटर्न फॉलो करेंगे, सेम स्ट्रक्चर, मतलब सेम पहले डायमेंशन देने के
Same.
बाद फिर पॉइंट्स है।
Exactly. Extempore is nothing
So-
but introduction, body part, and then conclusion in one go. Extempore is challenging, I tell you. चैलेंजिंग को एक ही गो में करना होता है, उसको 3 मिनट के अंदर चैलेंजिंग होता है वो, और उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी बहुत हाई होती है।
Topic will be given at the time of GD only, sir.
Tell,
I mean, topic.
I will see that if I send you some couple of topics, or if I raise the topic then and there itself, I'll see to that.
Okay.
Maybe I'll do that.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
So
Bhargavi.
what is meant by extempore? So I'm new here. I don't.
Yeah. So have we uploaded any kind of extempore? Are you aware? Any one of you? New channel
Not-
पे extempore upload हुआ है अभी कि नहीं?
एक्सटेम्पो
No, sir, extempore I think not there.
अभी नहीं हुआ ना?
No, sir.
I'll do that. Extempore Bhargavi is nothing but then you have to speak about the topic for 3 minutes. That's it, individually. Right. So you have to talk about the topic. So like say old age is a curse. Now you speak about this Bhargavi for 3 minutes. In that you have to introduce also, you have to add your points also, then you have to conclude also. So keep talking about the topic for 3 minutes. That is called extempore. Right, Bhargavi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Understood.
Any other question from your side? Okay,
Thank
then see you tomorrow morning with extempore, and keep waiting the topic. Go to the website and check everything on Yourpedia, this GD section. It's a very broadly prepared section. उसके अंदर बहुत ज्ञान है, बहुत ज़्यादा knowledge है, बहुत ज़्यादा topics है. Go to that and prepare really well for that, right? And HR के जो चल रहा है शाम को 10:15 पे HR होता है, तो जैसे से आपका HR तैयार होता रहे, keep popping up and HR का मेरे साथ करना स्टार्ट करो। इंटरव्यू को क्लिक करने का जो पार्ट है वो HR ही है, वो HR से इंट्रोडक्शन से स्टार्ट हुआ और तुमने उसको क्लिक कर सकते हो। ओके, थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.